Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to talk about how to remove or install batteries from Italia Ultra. This is pretty sophisticated new scooter that I do really like it, by the way. But comparably to other scooters, battery setup is different, and maybe some people will get confused how everything is connected in case if you need to replace batteries or inspect for any loose wires. So I'll show you how to get into the battery compartment, how to open the lid, inspect all wires or all batteries, and put everything back how it was. So the batteries are located under the seat, and in order to open the seat you will have to use your ignition switch. Simply click it to the left and it will pop up, but if you push in and try to turn it to the left, it will not open your seat. So simply click it to the left. Now you see the battery compartment. First of all, you have to turn off your main breaker switch, put to the off position. Now you will have to pry out this rubber cap in order to remove battery terminal bolt, which is an 8mm or Phillips screwdriver. Now I remove the wire and do exactly the same with this black negative wire. Okay, now you have this strap to lift up your complete battery pack and put on the ground. I'm going to remove the wire and the battery pack down below in the same time, so you have only one wire coming into the bottom pack. Okay, and this wire that going to the bottom battery pack is coming from the scooter side. So lifting it up, put on the ground. Now I'm going to open each one of them so you can see how the wires are connected inside. In case you suspecting power interruption or battery is not holding charge, so you will need to open each battery pack and inspect for any loose wires, any corrosion, any swollen batteries. You can even lift up each one of them and inspect from the bottom. All of them has to be straight, square and dry, nothing on the bottom, so you're all good. It doesn't mean the battery could not be defective, but this would be your first indication that something is wrong with battery if you see any kind of swellage or leakage. Now let's do this. Okay. Yeah, the batteries could be internally defective and it's not visible from outside, so you will need to take them to your local battery place and they should have a testing equipment. But this video is about how to get to the battery compartment, how to open, how to inspect and see how the wires are connected, so you don't get confused in case you've been replacing them and you forgot to take a picture on your phone before, and now you need to know the wiring order. So let's put everything back and I'll connect it to the scooter and verify that the voltage, the power is getting into the scooter and it's working well, like it should. This is your handle, and again this is how the battery is supposed to be connected with each other. So as you can see, one box with 3 batteries, another box is with 2 batteries, because this is a 60-volt system on this particular scooter, and that's Wi-Fi batteries, and you have a room only for the narrow battery on the bottom of the tray, so you cannot mix them, which one is going to the bottom and which one is upper pack. Okay. Okay, so let's put it back. This is your bottom one, and you want to find the orange wire that comes out from the scooter, and you want to connect it to that bottom battery pack terminal. Okay, now I'm going to lift up the top one and put on the side. So this wire that comes out from the bottom battery pack has to be long enough to reach this terminal. So you will be inserting under the plastic and prying out with your finger so you can reach the actual terminal and reconnect it. Close this cap, and let's do the last wire, black positive wire. Now this cap is actually pretty nice feature because of it's going to prevent those terminals from getting oxidized or corroded. Now turning on the power and try to power on your scooter. The scooter is good to go. It's on the parking mode. To disconnect the parking, push again, and we are done. Thank you. Bye.